Hello everyone, how you doing? Welcome to our channel Tech9n, and today in this video I'm going to tell you how can we recover all the forgotten IDs and passwords that you have used in different websites, okay, in different social networking websites and other useful websites. Okay, I'm going to tell you that. And first of all, you need to know that while using Google Chrome browser, you may have seen that it will ask you for whether to save or not the password that you have used on different websites. Okay, and if you have chosen yes to save the passwords, okay, today I'm going to tell you how to recover those passwords. Okay, and for this we need to go to Google Passwords Manager, and for this in Google search you can search for Google Passwords. As you search Google Passwords, just click on the first link, passwords.google.com. okay, and then you can see the list of the websites that you have used, that you have created your account in these websites. Okay, here you can see there are 58 sites and apps in which I have created my account, and now I can recover its ID and passwords. And it's quite easy. And for this, just click on the website, okay, that you want to recover the password. Suppose here I have connectips.com. Just click on it, and then it will ask for your Google password. Just enter it. And then it will show you the user ID and password. Okay, the first is my user password and the second is my password. Sorry, the first one is the user ID and the second one is password. As I click at this button, the password will be shown. Okay, so in this way we can recover ID and password of any websites which Google has saved, and similarly we can recover the other passwords also. And friends, this much for today. I hope you like this video, so please like, share this video, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the notification updates. Thanks for watching. Have a nice time.